Question number 9 asks us to solve the following equation of the square root of 5x plus 39 equals x plus 3. First up, of course, is get my radical by itself, which in this case it is. So I can go ahead and square both sides to undo that radical. Remember to square the entirety of x plus 3. So I'm going to be left with 5x plus 39 is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 3. Foiling this, you'll get x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 5x plus 39. I now want to set everything here equal to 0. That way I can factor it. So I'm going to subtract 5x minus 39. So subtract 5x here, subtract 39 at the end. So I'm left with 0. It's equal to x squared and then plus x. Then 9 minus 39 is going to be minus 30. So my next goal is, can I find two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add to 1? The answer would of course be 5 and 6. I need one negative, one positive, and I want a positive 1x here. So we're going to make it 0 is equal to x minus 5 and x plus 6. That way 6 plus negative 5 would be a positive 1, and then negative 5 times a positive 6 would be the negative 30. If 0 equals both of these, that means my zero product property, either x minus 5 equals 0, or x plus 6 equals 0. If x minus 5 equals 0, then x would have to equal 5. If x plus 6 equals 0, x has to equal negative 6. So I now have two answers. So I'm going to go back up to my initial equation, way up here, I'll erase all this stuff on it, and determine whether or not these two solutions would work. So what I'm looking for here is the fact that a square root can never be negative. So do either of these two values make that square root equal to a negative number? If I plug in 5, I'll have, change colors here, I'll have 5 plus 3 over here on my right side of the equation, which equals 8. So that's fine. If x is negative 6, I'll end up with negative 6 plus 3, which equals negative 3, which is a definite no-no, because we cannot have a square root equal to a negative number, and so our only solution here is going to be C, that x equals 5.